At BAM, we want to go from this to this. To be a bit more precise, we want to move away from a take, make, consume, and throw away pattern, or linear economy, and instead we want to reduce, reuse, and recycle materials and products. In other words, a circular economy. And that requires a whole new way of thinking, one that starts at the design phase. In this video, we're going to discuss circularity at BAM. We're depleting the Earth's natural resources and polluting it with carbon emissions and waste. One key contributor is that manufacturers design products to have a limited lifespan. It encourages consumers to buy again and again and again. Unfortunately, building materials are no exception. Circularity can make a big dent in wasteful practices. BAM and its partners want to lead by example. For instance, the company aims to have 75% less construction and office waste by 2030 compared to 2015. How, do you ask? BAM adapts two main approaches to circularity. The first is all about making an impact now, the production of building materials. The second is about making an impact later, by increasing the lifespan of materials. Now let's take a closer look at the first one, making an impact now. Because how do you reduce, reuse, and recycle building materials as efficiently as possible? One way is to look for less wasteful alternatives like bio-based materials. For instance, did you know that we're currently testing how resilient organic mixtures with pine oil are as an alternative to conventional asphalt? The second approach is all about extending the lifespan of materials. Adapting a circular approach often means creating something new with the end in mind. One such practice is removing glues between components. Using dry joints like screws instead of glues like mortar makes reusing components a lot easier. A project in which we could adopt both the long and short-term circular principles was the construction of the Cure building in Eindhoven. These specialists in waste management wanted their office to reflect their goal, to become 100% circular. Waste they themselves collected was reused or recycled as building materials, and components like wood were joined with nails and screws instead of glue. This makes disassembly at the end of life phase a breeze. We hope you have some notion of what circularity in construction entails. Check our socials and website for much more on BAM's sustainability goals. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you have any suggestions, let us know. Bye.